If you're wondering how and why some Canvas courses only show specific sidebar items, or how to create in-page Canvas links that serve to enhance the course navigation, these quick tips will get you started on the track to eCourse minimalism. The course here shows sidebar navigation with home, announcements, modules, and more, but it also has a navigation bar at the bottom of the page to link out to important course elements. This is super easy to do. First, click to edit the page. Then, type in the text you want for the navigation. Since you want these items to stand out, consider making the text larger, and it's already larger here. So one good example would be header 3. Then, highlight the text and link out to the intended spot using the tabs over to the right. To link to a page, simply click on this icon and scroll down to this correct page. You'll see that the link quickly generates and you're good to go. You could also link out to any of these other Canvas elements, or you could link to a particular file or image stored within your course files. One example of linking out to a file is the syllabus. The syllabus is the course blueprint, essentially, so this item should definitely appear somewhere on your course navigation, whether on the sidebar, on the home page, or both. When you link to the syllabus, return to the editing section. If you scroll down, you'll see that I've already created a placeholder for the syllabus section. So if I highlight this text and go over to Files, which is where my syllabus will be stored, you can see I already have a folder for this, and it's stored in here as well, but if it's not already uploaded to your Canvas files, you can upload a new one. So I can click Choose File, and you'll see this is the file that I want. And I'll select the correct folder, which would be syllabi, and then choose Upload, and it'll actually generate the link once again, and now it's actually linked to your home page. Now let's quickly go over the sidebar navigation. So as you can see, the navigation here is pretty lengthy, so I'll want to go in and play around with the settings. So to get into settings, I have to click this last menu bar item, and then I'll have to click over to navigation. Here you can drag and drop items to determine their visibility in the course. So the items in the top are currently visible to all of the students. So we want to take some of these items and hide them by dragging them down to the bottom. So for example, if I don't want students to see my files, I can drag this down here. If I don't want them to use outcomes or conferences, say for example if we're not using them, I'll drag them here as well. And don't forget to hit the Save button. Now you can return to home and you can test out the student view to identify what the students are able to see in the course. So you can no longer see the files, the conferences, or the outcomes.